This is Fritz. Fritz has a new desk. Looks great. Of course, Fritz also has a computer, but there's a problem. The cables are such a mess. Fritz isn't happy about that at all. What to do? This is August Meyer. Mr. Meyer has an idea. All we need to do is drill an 80mm hole in the desktop. Just perfect for a cable bushing. But why 80mm exactly? No, it's not just a random size. 80mm is the standard diameter for cable bushings. So now any cable can fit through perfectly. 3 months later. Now Fritz has a laptop. But what could he need the cable passage for now? Don't despair. Ask Meyer. Mr. Meyer has already given this some thought too. Let's take another look. This is a netbox point. The netbox point has various connection points, for example, USB port, power socket and Ethernet port, where you can connect all sorts of devices, like an iPod, for example. This is something Lisa also finds interesting. Lisa is Fritz's girlfriend. They're very much in love. They're moving in together, and suddenly all of Lisa's worldly belongings have appeared. That means a bottle warmer, her laptop, a hairdryer, a lamp. Far too much. No good at all. Mr. Meyer is one step ahead again and recommends the Netbox Energy Tower. Now it looks, hang on a second. What happens if Fritz doesn't need the connectors all the time? And he did always want a tidy desk. The solution. Mr. Meyer created the Netbox Move. Now it looks like this. Or this. Now everyone's truly happy. A&H Meyer electrifies you.